Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Hi my loves, welcome to a new vlog. I legit just woke up. It's Wednesday. I had class today, but my absent class got cancelled, so I came back to come and sleep because I'm tired. But I'll go to church this evening, so I just want to wake a little bit before that time. Ignore my face and my voice. But yeah. Hi my loves, good afternoon. So today's Thursday. I don't have class. I didn't just wake up. I woke up some time ago, and I've been trying to clear stuff on my phone so that my phone has space so that I can film and edit and or whatever. But basically, I hope this doesn't cut me, please. But basically today I'm just going to study, edit a video, eat, probably watch a movie, YouTube videos. Random stuff, so I'll just take you guys along with me.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow when I went flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
My love, so I'm working currently, right? I'm doing some finance stuff for my business, but I just received a package from the Natural Oil Bar on Instagram, and so as I was saying before, I was really interrupted by this space thing. This is not an ad or anything, but I would just like to say that this has been the smoothest ordering process. That's, I don't know how to call it, but it has been very smooth. I ordered on their website. It went well. The delivery guy was nice and fast, and I didn't have to now be giving plenty directions or anything. I would unbox on my skincare page, so you guys should check it out. I got some sunscreen, so you guys should go to my skincare page. I'll put everything in the English. I will put everything in the description box. I'm talking so fast because I don't want to be cut again. So good morning, guys. So it's Friday. I've forgotten the exact date, but it will be on the screen. It's Friday, and today I want to change my learning environment, so I will be going to school to go and learn today. I just woke up some time ago, and I'm going to get ready to shower, but I'm coming to pack my books right now, and yeah.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So I didn't put my journal and my planner in my bag because I have not journaled or planned my day this morning, and I also don't intend to take. I don't know if I'll take them to school because I know that when I go to school, the only thing on my I got cut again, but I'm just going to say this as fast as I can. I'm not taking my journal planner to school because I know what I'm going to do in school, so I'll just journal and plan over here and leave them here because my bag is just not too big. If you guys can recommend where I can get like a big bag for working, let me know in the comments. Let's go. This morning my space has made me suffer.
Trying to block my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
Hi, good morning. Where do I even start? Today is Saturday. It rained last night and water entered my laptop, so my whole day, like this whole morning, but I was calm, but I was just like any small thing, I'll think of it. And I deleted like a lot of things on my phone, so like now I have space. I'm about to go and shower because I'm going out today. I'm going out with my friend. Just chill, relax, create content if I can, obviously, yes. Yeah, so you guys should come along with me. I don't know. I wish I could like sit down and rant, but I don't want my phone to come and start doing its space thing again. So, operation work for a camera. So guys, I'm ready. I just look simple. I'm just wearing a shirt with a black top and shorts. Hopefully I get to show you when I get outside. You know I don't have a long mirror, so I can't show you. And I feel like I'm looking cute or whatever, like just lip gloss and my nice braids, and yeah, I'm looking cute or whatever. So my friend came to pick me up, but she left her journal. We're going on like a journal date. I think that's what I'll call it. You should try it with your friends. Like just go out and journal together and journal in each other's journal. So that's what we're going to do today. She left her journal, so she came back home to come and pick it, and yeah.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, they miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you, want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having this place on earth, and I will take you there.
So we came to Acrylics in Osu, but it's closed. We came to Acrylics, but it's closed. We came to check for some art stuff, but it's closed. So we'll plan and come another time. But for now, we are coming to take pictures. Yeah, so guys, the security man here is so cool, and we're getting very nice pictures. I'm actually very happy with how my day is going so far.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
guys, we are at the beach. This is the beach I went to in my last vlog, right? But they said they're having a program there today, so we came to the next beach. And this time I'm actually like by the beach. I'm just not like sitting down. This place doesn't have beach chairs, and I can't show you my face because it's not clear. So yeah, but Yehosha is here trying to enter my video, but you can't see as well, it's dark. So yeah, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later if I can, because I really want to enjoy this.